In the part one of this two-part series, we were just about to enter the Blue Cave after an exciting day at sea. Now, let's check it out inside. The Blue Cave is a sea cave famous for its glowing blue light. When you get to the island of Bisevo, you need to disembark and get on a much smaller boat that takes you to the cave. We got a boat with an Aquaman lookalike guide just to make the experience more complete. The entrance to the cave is barely wide enough for a single boat to pass through, and it's so low we all had to duck our heads.
Was I lying when I said 50 Shades of Blue? So watch out, some people have turned into Smurfs, and I'm not responsible. There you will see a stone shaped just like a white heart. I was there, my colleague was here with them. It's connecting these two sides. This side here kind of floats in the sea. This whole island has many caves, 18 altogether. This is the only one with the blue light.
And blue it is. We went out through the same hole we came in through and went back to the delight of our speedboat. The tour continued along the cliffs of the island of Vis, where we peeked into more caves and enjoyed even more shades of blue. About that color, guys. Okay, next stop, Stiniva Bay, which is a tiny bay within a bay. The minuscule bay is protected, and very limited number of people is allowed on its tiny beach. The best we could do is to just stop there to take a peek. There's pretty much nothing between here and Italy, so our skipper picked up the speed. We slowed down as we approached Budikovac, an island less than a quarter of a mile large and with no permanent population. Well, they don't know what they're missing out on because the place is gorgeous. The skipper dropped the anchor, which meant that swimming is in order. Continuing our tour to Hvar, we passed by an island chain protecting its ports to the south. Known for its sunny microclimate, the lush island deserves an entire video of its own, perhaps several videos. If you'd like me to return and do that, let me know in the comments. But today, we only stopped here for lunch, or an ice cream, or both. The little port is packed with yachts, some of them as large as a house. Anyway, there's so much to see here, but as I said, that would take a whole different tour, and perhaps days to visit everything. Full day of boat touring, cave exploring, snorkeling and swimming, and yes, some people still have enough left in the tank for dancing. Meanwhile, our trusted skipper was taking us back to Milna to drop off a part of the group. For more Milna, see the part 1 of this 2-video series. In just about half day, we saw all sorts of islands, caves, little seaport towns, hidden and not so hidden beaches, and the only thing missing from this adventure is a treasure chest. But there's always a next time.